march in Gaonwadi. As you all can see, we are just in front of Diaz, and this location today we decided, because despite all the assurances, despite the complaints yesterday, there was huge traffic, because of which the traffic PI also had to be called over here, because when the Anjuna PI was contacted, he said this is not my issue, you'll have to contact the traffic PI. Okay, now we just want to show everyone that Diaz is still on. It is mentioned day, pool, night club. The residents of Gaonwadi who are affected immediately will let you all know, is this a club? And there we have XOXO. So they'll talk about what problems they are facing here and why, even after assurances given yesterday, it is still a failure, because there are loopholes that these venues can utilize, which is what happened to one of our villagers yesterday. They went home, the music started after an hour. Equipments are being collected, but what equipment? Speakers and amplifiers that can be purchased for 15,000-20,000. One ticket in these venues is possibly sold at 5,000, 10,000. It is a mere joke that we are picking up such equipments. And secondly, Diaz, we have to remind everyone that Diaz was a venue we had come to earlier, and we had got the equipment seized. That time the equipment was seized, and I don't know what happened to the follow-up, because there was no FIR filed. We don't know what happened to that. Now, can establishments run even after they have violated the noise pollution rules and equipments were seized? What is the process? And today, if in case they are closed now, what prevents them from switching on at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock? So we just want to understand how do we get a resolution and what solution is happening, because now today, I think it would be better if, the residents...
Yeah, so today is day 3 of our peaceful candlelight march. Okay, and in the last 2-3 days, no doubt, the volumes have been down. But the aftermath of this noise pollution is that streets were congested since the last 3 days. Today morning it was so bad on either side of the road. The cars were parked even down there. The neighbors could not move out from there. There were tourists who were semi-nude on the streets, huffing and puffing away. And we leave our homes early in the morning. Till about 9:30 in the morning, it was jam-packed from here till there, almost till near the church.
There was a full traffic over here.
Yeah, traffic jam, terrible. And people were out on the streets. People were out, and the tourists were here. Even last night, when we came from the police station, they were hanging on our gates with their beers, smoking away. What is this? The tourists, they are half nude here.
We are on the road.
On the road, I'm telling you, on the road. They should be over there in the premises, not here out on the roads. And don't they have a space to park over there inside? No accommodation for them? That they need to be out on the roads over here, causing a nuisance. We leave our homes early in the morning.
So, असले की नामासर घट्टा आणि काय तो authorities action घेना इथून.
And it's not the first time. The only thing that they've done for us is they've just lowered down the volume.
Okay.
आज तुमचं तिसरं दिवस असा प्रोटेस्टाचो आणि तरी असताना प्रशासन खंयतरी कमी पडटा तुमच्या आवाजा खातीर तुमच्या
आवाज पावना त्यांच्या मेरेन.
Today is the third day you all are protesting. What feedback you all are getting from the police and the authorities?
So far nothing.
So far nothing.
Nothing.
Yesterday the DYSP had assured you all that whatever necessaries on the public demand, he will.
Yeah, he will solve the problem, but he has not done it.
So
He assured us that he will do it, but he has not done it.
So what will be your step forward? The march will be.
We will fight till we get justice.
What is the next
Till the noise pollution stops in Anjuna. Not only this ward or that ward, all over full of Anjuna. We want peace in Anjuna. We want a peaceful people who comes and enjoys the nature and and go back and remember the good memories of Goa. Not only drinks and drugs and the things. In Anjuna, in front of my house, every day I see that from Diaz and Exos, the customers are coming down drunk, and we have to face them because of the traffic. Every day we have argument with them, and they come and say, sorry ma'am, sorry ma'am, sorry ma'am. Every now and then we call the traffic police and police every now. We are tired of this. I don't know how authorities are not helping us. Past 8 years we have because of the noise pollution.
हाऊ मेनी क्लब्स आर दे
Property, sorry.
मॅडम जेन्ना फर्स्ट टायम तुमी PI मेळपाक गेले रिगार्डिंग द साऊंड पोल्युशन अँड द ट्रॅफिक तेन्ना पुलीस PI जो आसा अंजूनचो त्याने ट्रॅफिक PI आपयलेले आनी ट्रॅफिक PI पासून तुमकां एश्युरन्स दिले की आपूण कितें तें पळयता म्हणजे जर ट्रॅफिक खंय कितें जाम जाता आपलो हो नंबर घ्या म्हणून हॅव यू कॉल्ड फॉर ट्रॅफिक PI रिगार्डिंग दीस मॅटर
I'll tell you about today's. We submitted one application to the PI morning, Green and myself. PI came in the evening. At Sanjay Irolo to म्हाका कितें सांगता तुमच्या हेचेर will put one rope so that no one parks in a compound area. How can he decide that he should put up a rope to help them? That is wrong.
But traffic was getting jam at the morning time and he came at the evening time.
Evening now to ensure that tonight there won't be any this thing.
Okay.
सो तो रोप
But
घातलो
this people, this club, Piaz and Exos, they start their parties only after 11.
So who had
Till
managed
morning.
the traffic at the morning time?
Sorry.
Who had managed the traffic at the morning time then?
They came.
We were there. We were there.
We were there and we called them. They came at around 7:45.
Okay.
And we started complaining at around 7:15. We came out from the house and then we noticed it. Like, you know, his girl came out and said, like, you know, then I went out. My husband went out and checked. From the 7:15 we are calling the authorities.
मॅडम एक प्रोटेस्ट करून गेली पळय
हय.
मागीर कारात ते सिच्युएशन कशें आसलें पयलींच्या भशेनूच हे सोंगां लावड म्युजीक आसली
म्युजीक स्लो आसली मात म्युजीक केन्ना आमकां आयकोंक येयल्या 5 सुमार म्युजीक 5 सुमार आयकोंक येयल्या वेन आय गॉट अवे सिंग आनी मागीर ट्रॅफिक आयकोंक ना भायर येवन मात म्युजीक आयकोंक येयल्या बट आमी न्हिदेन आसली लायक एज इट इज स्लीप लेट एंड ऑल्सो इट डिडंट मेक मी टू कॉल गिव मी सेन्स टू कॉल द कॉप्स एट दॅट टायम बट म्युजीक आहा तेंची म्युजीक हा म्हणून पार्टी लोक येतात ट्रॅफिकाचेरूच कंप्लेन दिस इज द ट्रॅफिक जॅम इन द मॉर्निंग टुडेज डे
Today morning, there must have been hundreds of cars parked on either side of the road.
Picture.
Hundreds of cars.
This is only 2 pictures. That picture from the gate. From the gate. See which picture is this? We got a video also. See, this is from inside our gate. How? See how they have blocked our cars.
ब्लॉक केलं त्यांच्यानी बाहेरून सरपक जायना
So we want to ask CM, how can he solve our problem? Every now and then we are calling media. Every now and then we are coming on the street.
कितली घरां आसा ह्या वाड्याचेर मॅडम
36.
आणि
मॅडम
रेजिडेन्शियल एरिया आसा त्या जाग्याचेर
लास्ट 3 days प्रोटेस्ट करता अगेन्स्ट साऊंड पोल्युशन आफ्टर साऊंड पोल्युशन तुमकां आतां पार्किंग प्रॉब्लम जावपाक लागला पार्किंग विशय जाला बिकॉज ऑफ दीस क्लब सो युअर प्रोटेस्ट अगेन्स्ट साऊंड ऑर दिस थिंग
Both.
you have to shut down this club
Yes.
These are the consequences of the noise
These are the
pollution.
consequences.
And what happened? These are like long weekends. So for continuous
ना
days,
कित्याक
like
जाणा
from-
तुम्ही फाटल्या दिसांनी म्हणटाले की क्लब असल्यार जाता बट साऊंड त्यांचो डेसिबल सारको आसपाक जाय बट नाव यू वॉन्ट
But
क्लब
we
टू बी
thought
शट
they
डाउन
would do some provision for their parking.
But they have full week at आमचा full समान तसंच झालं आता. Till tomorrow it will be like this.
But they have not done any provision for the parking. They have not done any provision for their parking.
Yes, सांग
लास्ट जेन्ना आमी इक्विपमेंट जेन्ना सीज केलें तेन्ना पुलिसांनी आमकां खूब हें केलें नाटकां केलीं एक येद्यांनी घेवन येतात मेन इक्विपमेंटाचे हाडिना येयले पत्ते कितें घेवन गेले आनी मागीर रशियन्स आमकां चावोवपाक हिंगा नाचताले आनी तूं जाणा ती कितें हांगाची घालता पळय रस्त्यार नाचता हिंगासर दिस आमकां आमचो कल्चर हो ते मिनिस्टर थिंगा सांगता आमचो कल्चर हो न्हू म्युजीक आमी लाव हें करता मोक वचो न्हू गमाक गुम आनी रागडी नाचप हिंगासर आनी ते कानाल्ली मानाल्ली तोपून सगळीं कितें नाकाल्लें करून आमकांच चावयता हिंगासर आनी पुलीस तर पुलिसांनी तूं सांगो नाका पुलिसांक आतां हिंगासर अंजुना पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर ते म्हाका दिसता 10 वर्सां वयर एकलो पुलीस आहा त्या कित्याक ट्रान्सफर येयना आनी त्या बीच बेल्टूच कित्याक तेंका पोस्टींग हें कोण पळयना
हो आमचो पंच मेंबर ह्या भाड्याचो एका आमी कितले फावट सांगून लायक ही वेंट अप ही टोल्ड देम लायक वॉट एवर ही हॅज टू टेल सो ही वील एक्सप्लेन टू यू बेटर वेदर दे हॅव लायसन्स वॉट एवर ट्रेड लायसन्स ऑर वॉट
पेट्रोल तुम्ही हांगासर पंच मेंबर
माझे नाव पेड्रो मेंडोन्सा हांव हांगासरलो एक्स पंच मेंबर आनी आतां म्हाजी मिसीस सिसिलिया मेंडोन्सा ह्या वाड्याचे पंच मेंबर आतां म्हाजे रिक्वेस्ट हा हांकां ऑथॉरिटीज 3 रिक्वेस्ट हा एक म्हणटा पळय तो साऊंड इन द रेस्टॉरंट्स म्हणजे कितें ज्यो उलोय आनी लिसनींग प्लेचे म्युजीक बरें आयक enjoy the John and Garavos. But here something happening opposite. Second, road हापयता दोन्ही साइडीक गाडयो पार्क करप म्हणजे रॉंग. शिवोलची ट्रॅफिक कलंगूट आणि कलंगूटची ट्रॅफिक शिवोली वयतली कशी. इस्कोलाच्यो बशी अंजुना टू म्हापसा भुरग्यांक पावोवपाक वयतल्यो कश्यो त्यो हा व्हडल्यो आणि दोन्ही मोटर पार्क केल्या रस्त्याचेर. ते नॅरो स्पेस ओन्ली मोटर बायक्स कॅन पास हे प्रॉब्लम. आणि थर्ड, अंजुना ट्रॅफिक सेल डिपार्टमेंट अंजुना आसोन तेणी आतां हांगा आसोंक जाय आसलें ही ट्रॅफिक मॅनेज करपाक. ते आतां खूंय आहा ते फकत थंय 4 वर्सांचे आहा तुका तालांव दिवपाक. आतां खूंय येते ही तांची ड्युटी आसूंक जाय. नायट ड्युटी आनी डे ड्युटी तालावंगात रातचे हांगा ट्रॅफिक मॅनेज कर. हो म्हाजो रिक्वेस्ट फॉर द कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटी.
तुम्ही आता पंच मेंबर हांगसरले लोकल पंच मेंबर हांगा तुका कितें जाता पळय कोण रावता सगळ्यांची तुका डिटेल्स खबर आसतली. हे जे आता क्लब जे दिला पळय ताका पंचायतीक परमिशनाक एप्लाय केला आसतले. तुका खबर आसपाक जाय. तूं पंचायत मेंबर हांव एकूच कंप्लीट करता मागीर तूं उलय. ते जेन्ना परमिशन दिला पळय तेन्ना पंचायतीन खबर आसलें तुका ही गजाल दिल्या काय
सगळ्यो डिटेल्स आख्या गांवच्यो म्हाज्या तकलेन भितर वचना रावून
तुजी वाड्यावयली
वाड्यार येता खंयचोय जाण तांकां लायसन्स दिलां कोणें दिलां केन्ना दिलां तें म्हाका खबर ना. यू अंडरस्टूड. आय एम हियर फॉर लास्ट टर्म आनी वॉट करंट टर्म म्हाजी मिसीस आसा. तुमकां कोणान तर भितरली चौकशी काडूंक जाय. लेकिन अप्रोच द पंचायत बाबा हांकां लायसन्स कोण दियात आनी म्हणटा ते शोशो ते हा ते खबर काडूंक जाय. तुमकां अप्रूव करपाक तुमकां लायसन्स आहा बाय रेस्टॉरंट आहा पण तुमकां म्युजीक प्ले करपाक तुमकां दिलां बाय लेसन डेप्युटी कलेक्टर हें वचून चॅक करूंक जाय. सगळीं क्वेश्चनां म्हाजी आयकून आन्सर यू.
बट पंचायत एज अ पंचायत मेंबर लोकल रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह म्हणटा
पंचायत मेंबर 11 मेंबर्स आहा ती पंचायत हांगा व्हडली दोगा तिंगाची न्हू ती. अंडरस्टूड न्हू. आय कॅन आन्सर ऑल दीस क्वेश्चन्स. कोणाक तूं आन्सर जाय न्हू दे हॅव टू अप्रोच द बाय RTI वॉट तांकां लायसन्स दिलां कितें दे हॅव टू फायंड आउट.
But one thing that one has to say in connection with the panchayat and its responsibility, that is that when a larger part of the local community which has been staying here for generations has an issue, then the panchayat has the responsibility to withdraw the licenses. It doesn't matter who has given the license and when.
And one thing I just want to add that I feel we are not telling everyone to keep a mental record of all these things, but keep it in
पंचायत मेंबर असता पळय जेन्ना तुमकां त्रास जाता तेन्ना यू विल गो विथ पंच मेंबर. जेन्ना तो पंच मेंबर म्हणटा ते आपल्याक खबरूच ना जाल्यार
we do not control the actions of ward members. We are villagers. We do not control actions of ward members, police officials, politicians. Okay. Now if they see he has come here to support, he is giving his opinion on the matter. Okay. It is not that we agree with it. Okay, we also feel that if it is a ward member, it is their responsibility to have the papers. Otherwise, I'm sorry to see, you all are the media. I want to be as honest as possible without handing any offense to anyone. Yesterday, if we had this to ask the DYSP show us the licenses, it is by all right. I feel this ward member should ask your ward member only, where is the licenses for this? If he is saying he cannot remember, I don't think so that's wrong. I don't think so that's right. We have to, it is a responsibility to ask each and every official appointed by the government, panchayat also, these are officials appointed by the government. They have a responsibility to answer certain questions. If, yes, they are elected by us, they cannot wash their hands. See, it is, if it is sometimes MLA ma'am, she is coming and she is saying she doesn't know. They are saying now he is saying he doesn't remember. He is telling us to go to the panchayat. We should all put I think so Anjuna panchayat football team jersey and put 1, 2 how many people and then we'll keep playing football. Let them kick us here.
What connected प्रश्न आता घेता जसे तुम्ही म्हटले की आता साउंड पोल्युशन प्रॉब्लेम जाता तुमका आवाज येता हय परमिशन दिता थ्रू पंचायत ओके फर्स्ट पुलिस आर नॉट गिविंग ओके सो पंच मेंबर तो तुमचा स्थानिक आसा त्याका सगळी खबर आसता पयली सारखे ओके जेन्ना ते दिता बार एंड रेस्टॉरंट म्हणून पण तेतून जेन्ना इलिगलिटी चलता आता तेजेर बरयला द नायट क्लब एंड ऑल सो हे तुमचे पंच स्थानिक मेंबर सरपंच खबर आसता सो वाय पंचायत राव प्रश्न क्लियर करता सो वाय पंचायत रिवोक कित्याक करिना एक प्रश्न म्हाजो पयलो आसा तुम्ही मागीर वयतात आनी कंप्लेनी करतात कोणाक पुलिसांक पुलीस कितें करतले थंय वचून कित्याक पुलीस म्हणटले परमिशन कोण दिता पंचायत दिता सो तुमचो पयलो प्रश्न पंचायत कितें विचारपाचो न्हू ऑल द टायम व्हॉट पुलीस वील डू टेल मी
Yes, we have an RC, we have everything
Given
ready.
RTI to
We
the
have
panchayat,
gone, yeah.
and today morning also I spoke to our sarpanch. I had called him here. I said we will have a march of please come, and I told him, and he assured me that he will try to revoke their licenses. He assured me that verbally, when I spoke to him this morning. Every last Gram Sabha also we spoke about this issue to him.
हो प्रश्न तुमकां आसा आता तुम्ही स्थानिक पंच मेंबर न्हू कितें तुम्ही आता कितें पावल फुडें उखलतले आता लोक पळय सदां तुमच्याच वाडा वयलो लोक सगळो रस्त्यार येता तुम्ही पळयला की तुमचे वोटर कशे त्रासान आसा पळय ते तुम्ही कितें स्टेप घेतले इन फ्युचर हे स्टॉप बंद करपा खातीर
आता पळय आता ते कितें म्हणटात आमची की तेणी RTI घातल्या अरे की हांकां लायसन्स दिला पळय ते तुमकां कॉपी दियात बार हा रेस्टॉरंट हा क्लब हा आनी कितें हा ओके हय तांकां म्युजीक प्ले करपाक व्हडल्यान तांकां डेप्युटी कलेक्टर लायसन्स दिला 10 PM ते डेप्युटी बिकॉज साऊंड आनी खंयचे कितें करता ओन्ली बार रेस्टॉरंट ते नेवर गिव लायसन्स फॉर द म्युजीक टू प्ले म्युजीक किंवा डेप्युटी कलेक्टर अप टू 10 PM ती सुपर स्टोरी ते आतां आपूण प्ले करतात हांव कितें म्हणटा इट शूड बी अ लिसनिंग प्लेजर सॉफ्ट म्युजीक आमी दोगां आमी उलयता जयता हॅपी गो हांगा तशें ना
सरपंचाची ते जी उतरां आहली पळय पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर आमी बारान रेस्टॉरंट लायसन्स दिता फुडें जे कितें भितर कितें करतात पळय तेजेर आमी कितें म्हणून करतले हो प्रश्न सुटेबल आसा
It's not suitable. It is not. It is not. Listen, हांव एक उतर उलो आत्ता तुम्ही प्रश्न हांकां विचारलेलो पळय तुम्ही म्हटले कितें पंच सगळे दिता पूण अमकी गोष्ट दिना खंयचे थंय इलिगल गोष्टी घडटा पळय तेका पंच सरपंच लायसन दिना ओके तुम्ही पुलिशेन कित्याक वयता पुलीस थंय कित्याक आसा स्टे हाडपाक आमी स्टे हाडपाक वयता आमी जर स्टे हाडूंक वचना जाल्यार पंचूय उरता इलिगल गोष्टी थंय घडटा ते आमी दाखोवन दिता पब्लीक आमचे पब्लिकेचे काम कितें ते वाड्यावयलो लोक तांकां झेम पडना मागीर ती झेम पडना तेन्ना ती कंप्लेंट करता कंप्लेंट केल्या उपरांत स्टे हाडपाची त्या गोष्टीक पुलिशेचें काम म्हणून आमी पुलिशेर वयता आमी पंचा कडेन येवची ना कारण पंचाक खबरूच ना
स्टार्टिंग मॅडम NOC दिता ही पंचायत दिता मागीर काल स्थानिक पंच मेंबर कित्याक नासलो थंय
आसलो ह्यो आसलो पाटील आसलो न्हू
वयर आसलो काल कित्याक नासलो मागीर
कित्याक आसले आतां हे हेंच्यो रायट हे
कित्याक गांव
आवडले
सरपंच तरी जाय तेजे तुम्ही मातशें उत्तर दिया आता तुम्ही ब्लेम करता पुलिसाक ओके पुलीस NOC दिता मॅडम पुलीस NOC दिता
दिना आपण स्टे हाडू शकता काल आम्ही लाखाचे नुकसान झाले
पंचायतीचो कितें रोल आसा काय ना
आमकां धमकी येयली आमच्या भुरग्याक मारले तळाखान धरून मारले कित्याक मारले तेका नुकसान जालें तेका दुखपाक जाय जेन्ना तेका दुखतले तेन्ना तो कोणा कडेन तरी वयतलो तेन्ना तेचे हे आज कित्याक येयले हेंकां कितें तरी जबाबदारी आहा न्हू वोटर्स तेंचे तेका जबाबदारी आहा म्हणून ते येयले तेंकां आमी जाय काय नाका हो प्रश्न आमकां विचारता आमी तुमकां विचारता आमी पंचाक विचारता पुलीस आमी जाय काय नाका नाल्यार तुमी त्या पुरके इलेक्शनाक येवं नाका कित्याक येवं नाका आमची हेल्प घेवं नाका
त्रास केन्नाच्यान जाता हो
किंवा ती सांगतली 23 चड जालो आतां हेंच्यानी इतल्या गोगातर इतलो
मागीर मॅडम तोच प्रश्न न्हू
23
त्रास जाता
आवाज साऊंड सिस्टम वाढला मॅडम
23 त्रास जाता न्हू ऑलमोस्ट 1-2 वर्सां त्रास जाता
For me, since I've grown up in Bagator, I had to study with my fingers plugged in my ear. Okay, but during that time in the 90s, the music was not playing so continuously like how it is now. That time they used to have 2 days continuous party somewhere in the jungle by the hippies. Okay, it was from that time. But then, from 2000 onwards, you just see 2000, the year 2000, how many clubs are just mushrooming.
So our question is that only now what panchayat took the stand?
Now we had as Bagator people once last year, I'm not sure if it is last year, we did take a resolution in the Gram Sabha meeting and we told the panchayat, I had spoken to him especially, I told him, see, y'all are giving an NOC for restaurants, right? They said yes. I said, but they are misusing it. Okay, and y'all are saying y'all cannot do anything, so why don't you revoke it?
So they can revoke it, no?
We can revoke, and they said yes, we can revoke it. And they also said we would do that, but till today nothing has been done.
My point is that only.
Yeah, and this was a suggestion given to us by Michael Delilah Lobo when we had gone to her. They can revoke licenses. The panchayat can revoke licenses. Please tell them to do that. And that is why all of us had gone. Many people had gone from Bagator. But till today, not one club, not one club not one club was
Tomorrow hope your one member will.
सांगता हांव तुमकां
RTI ऑलरेडी घातलेली हा पंचायतीन सगळे त्याचे कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन्साचे किती परमिशन दिला सगळे घातलेले 6 मंथ्स झाले अजून बसून दिवूंक ना ती पंचायतीन दिलेले आसा या गांववाडीच्या लोकांनी घातलेली RTI घातलेली अजून बसून मेळोंक ना 6 म्हयने क्रॉस जावन जाले आता कोण ऑथॉरिटी इज नॉट फंक्शनिंग दिस इज वॉट वी कॅन से आणि कितें म्हणूंक जाता फुल NOC दिला कितले मागलेले अजून दिवंक ना त्यांनी तुम्ही ताका
Yes. One thing just to be made clear is that if we are asking, if we are stepping up and doing a job that this government of India has appointed someone to do, we are becoming monitors and auditors of systems that the government has allowed to be in place. But the government has allowed these things to be in place considering that it will not harm the civilians around and the villagers. Now one thing somebody asked is that we are having problem from how many years to Sushil? Here we said they said it's 2-3 years. One very important thing to keep in mind that what is happening in Gujarat, what is happening in Anjuna, it is like it's like an earthquake epicenter. From there, Goa is going to be destroyed possibly. That's what everyone is saying. But you all can see how bad the situation is. It is entering now into civilians. There was never a club and a pool, day pool and night club. Day pool and night club they have started here, and this is some underwater club. And the inside they keep saying they have indoors, but it is not at all indoors. Also one other thing is if we allow these kind of venues to move inside into villages, we will keep having this problem. Today it is moved to the border of Anjuna. It is now in Asagaon. Tomorrow it will even be in Mapsa. It will be in Arpora. It is all, this whole stretch is gone. We need to understand that we need to take some steps. And regarding any documentation that is necessary, if a venue is being questioned and anyone is coming for such a meeting, we need to understand that they need to bring all documents. We have got the RTI. We are asking the questions where we are not getting any documents and waiting for 6 months. It's preposterous to wait for such a long time.
You just mentioned about underwater clubs.
Yeah, it is an underwater. That's how they have promoted it.
Asagaon accessible water agide Anjuna.
Oh, please let's not talk about the water, okay? Because
underwater
you have noise pollution. You have noise pollution. You have water pollution. That is a whole different aspect. Let us leave that. Here, this noise only. This government is not helping us. You know, nobody is coming out to help us. Water though it's okay. We will manage somehow. We have.
That is his point.
It is, but let's not go there. Yeah. Yes, thank you, but for raising that also.
I just spoke to our Sarpanch. You can take his seat. I made a call to him because to call him, he said he can't come, and so he gave some reason. I asked him whether the licenses are issued to Diaz and Exos from Panchayat. He's saying, as per his knowledge, nothing is issued.
How it's running then for so years?
Sorry?
How it's running so years then?
That is the question. Now this CM should hear us and take an action.
But त्यांच्याने किती reject been केला होय permission? They have rejected or they have applied?
He didn't say that. He said from Panchayat they have not given any license to them, to Exos and Diaz. These are his words. Just now I spoke to him. I can take his time and date.
Yes, he told the girl.
Yes, told in the Gram Sabha he has not given the permission.
Okay, so they should shut it down now.
Yeah.
Permissions are not given.
Yeah.
The places should shut down.
I want to ask him through the media, what action will he take to protect us from this type of nonsense, giving others to earn money on our cost, and especially outsiders, and illegal. We have complained earlier, some years back, there was hill cutting was going on there, and we had complained about that. That also nothing is done, no action has taken. We have all the files.
All our paperwork is there, documentation is there. A small thing done by a local is raised, the big issue is made at the Panchayat sessions, whereas these things are not even looked at. It's an eyewash. I mean, this is something totally even you cannot think about, yeah?
How long do you want us to fight?
RTIs take 6 months.
30 days, man. Only 30 days.
30 days. And we are not getting an answer for the past 6 months. What is this government up to? What are these all hand-in-glove people up to? Are they only for themselves, filling their pockets? Are they thinking of the next generation? Are they thinking of our people around? Where is Anjuna going to be? What are we going to see the future of Goa? Is anybody responsible for it? Answerable to this question? right from the CM to whoever. This is not right. Is there democracy? Is there democracy here? Celebrated Independence Day. Do we have any independence? Are we independent here? So what is all this? This is just hangama. It's a mockery of the entire constitution. Right.
MLA just comes and gives a talk, okay, she assures and then she goes off. Back again, same thing. Why she is coming and giving an assurance, I don't understand when she cannot implement it. Please, I'm telling her through the media, if she cannot implement, don't come to Anjuna to give any assurance to our people. Yes or no?
Yes. You don't need her around here.
If she is not doing anything right for us.
See, apart from this, there are a lot of rules and regulations everywhere. You know, we have all the rules and regulations placed from 2020, but nothing is implemented. Here, there's a rules and regulation which says the decibel levels of different areas, but nobody follows them. What's the use? If the politicians, police don't follow the rules and regulations, why should we stand here for protest? They should go home. Why are they taking salaries?
तुमचा आवाज अजून प्रशासनाकडे सरकाराकडे पाहणं झालं कितले दिवस तुम्ही असं आता रस्त्यार येतले
We will go on.
आमका मार्ग मेळा आम्ही तुमचे आशेर आसा आम्ही तुम्ही आमचो कोणो तुम्ही आमची न्यूज अख्ख्या गोंयाक घालयता कळ्ळें न्हू तुमकां लागून आम्ही हे कित्याक आतां इतले रातची सगळी तुमकां लागून आमची आशा तुमकां लागून जगता आनी तुमचें काम तें तुमी आमकां सपोर्ट करचो हें हांव देवा कडेन मागता आनी देवाक ब्लेसिंग घालून वता तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे बरें जावचें म्हणून तुमी रातभर आमच्या बरोबर पुलीस स्टेशनार तशीच जागी रावल्या म्हणून
I just want to add to this that all of y'all, the media, clicking this video and this live, you all could have enjoyed your Independence weekend, you all could have enjoyed your long weekend with friends. You all took the time, and it is so sad that of course you all have your benefits, your work, this is your profession, but this is also something that affects a human being. Can they get sleep at night? You all are also touched. So many times you all were waiting for 1-2 hours without getting any good, valuable bite. But you all have taken the effort. So for you all to ask us this question, why has it not reached the ears of the government? It's clearly that the government machinery has failed, a machinery that reaches and connects the people to the officials that are going to take some action to help us. That machinery is dead. Some contact helpline number was released today, I don't know. And what will we do with the helpline number?
It's useless.
We have
it's useless.
We have the sarpanch telling us that there is no licenses given by the panchayat to this place. So even the ward member is cleared from this place. But what do we do now? Today the environment minister is saying it is the collectorate's problem. Now what is the time? At 9 o'clock, at 9:15, we will run to the collectorate. We will sit and he will ask these questions. Please, what do we do? How do we proceed? And then wait for another 6 months. All this while, they are playing music. And sadly, we cannot spend or we cannot ask everyone to gather here every single night. But if you ask us how long we plan to protest, we plan to protest till our voices are at least heard, till at least one member of the ruling party does something or gives us some assurance at least, or just comes and stands with us. The MLA ma'am, you had come and you had given us so much assurance. This third day, even on the third day, you have not even agreed to stand.
My people, Jesus, where? We are all standing here.
We are only asking you for help. We don't have anything against you. We are not looking at fighting anyone. We want your help, because if you stand here, these people, the ones who are creating this noise, they will know that they have these people have the support of the government. These people have the support of their local politicians. To not have a politician that we have elected is a shameful thing over here. It's a very shameful thing. Sorry.
I will continue.
Correct. See, firstly, we have realized that looking at whatever has happened yesterday, we are going to call 112 and we are going to tell the police that this has no licenses. The sarpanch has told us. The result, I don't think anything is going to happen. Max to max, even if we call for loud noise, they will take some equipment, like some small player, something, and they will go. Our plan is to see that they understand. Now, even if I hold up my phone, okay, even if I'm not talking, the decibel, even with one car passing by, I don't know if you all can read this, okay. it is definitely not. This won't zoom. I'm sorry if this is right. Okay.
Yes.
It is around. See, even when I'm talking,
77.
it is going to 77, 69, and we have different meters over here. So the people need to understand that even when you talk now, even when I'm talking like this, it's going to reach to a higher level. So all these authorities saying that there is no noise have not provided us with a single meter reading. That okay, y'all, there is no noise here because we have monitored at this specific time. For that, we are pleading with the government to make the noise monitoring stations, mandatory, and that is what is our goal, to make the noise monitoring station, because every time we come here, this will happen. Today is one day since Diaz has started in December last year. That is one of the quietest. Otherwise, this road would not. If we can pass on a image and a video to the media, how this road will be at 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Okay, and then we will share it, and then you all can see the mockery that is happening of the system in place. Once we are here, no music. The moment we leave from here, few people, they understand that there is no unity, they come to target us.
I also want to remind our CM, she had said, okay, Indoors Club, she is visible and she will give permission, something they said, no? MLA, yeah. But I also want to tell them, to remind them, they should see their parking provision. If they have parking provision, then only they can see, and whether it is in residential area. They can't give it in any area where there is residential and parking problem for the clubs to open. So whereas Diaz has the same thing. There is residential as well as they don't have parking provision.
And they don't have a license.
And license is there. Yes. And these people start only after 11 and goes on till morning.
Yes.
What's also very crazy, if you go on Google, I was Googling to find out where in the world such thing happens. None of the places in the world, parties are allowed and are legal at night. But it is happening here illegally. This is the height of corruption that is going on.
एक फोटो घेता हांगा पळय आतां